Hey everyone, Byron here and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be talking about air purifiers. With everyone being extremely cautious nowadays, everyone wanting a cleaner home, these purifiers are highly in demand. Alright, what I got my hands on here today is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 3H. So first, why should people even get an air purifier? Air purifiers help improve sleep, takes care of some allergies, and cleans out the dust and pollens that surround the room. So as mentioned earlier, this is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 3H, and this is one of the best budget air purifiers that you can find out there. Let's unbox this and see what this thing can do. Alright, so we got the manual over here, but we won't be reading over this. This basically just talks about how you can replace the filter and what you can expect from the LED screen from the purifier. So let's set these aside. Okay. Wow, it's so nice. Alright, that was a big box for such a small purifier. I guess that's how Xiaomi kept it safe when they're delivering in this pandemic. So this is a clean looking purifier over here. Let me plug it up so that we can see how this thing works. Yo, I can't find the wire. So apparently you can find the wire here in this little locker for the filter over on the back of the purifier. So this is the wire packaged nicely by Xiaomi. So let's plug this in so that we can check how this finally works. Where's the power button, Jed? It's on the screen. Ooh. So the power button's on the screen now. Filter remaining 100%. Perfect to start this video. So back then in 2018, Xiaomi's line of air purifiers didn't have screens yet. And these screens could only be found in the Pro line, which I actually have in one of my bedrooms here at home. Then 2 years later, this is the 3H model that got released alongside the other H models that now feature the same screen, but now it's touch compatible. The screens are actually used to see the air quality, the operation mode, or the temperature. I think it has night mode, auto mode, and some mode with a heart on it, which I don't really get yet. So both the Pro and the 3H models are in this tower format, and it has grills here on the bottom, which I love. So these are actually used to catch the mini dust that are nearer to the ground. But just so you know, these Xiaomi air purifiers actually have a 3-level filtration system. First, the external, which traps the larger dust like hair or wool. Next would be the internal, which catches dust, and lastly, the HEPA filter, which catches the particular smaller pollens and allergens from the air and anything of the like. You can actually also purchase separate filters and just attach it on the back, which I'll show you later. The 3H model is actually really the bang for your buck option because it's sort of like the copy of the Pro at a smaller size. Since it's released at a later date, they got to apply the technology used from the Pro to all of their next lineups like this one. The only difference may be the area size that it can cover because the Pro was really tall compared to this one. This ring that's surrounding it here on the bottom actually transfers to red when the air quality is bad, so you wouldn't want that. Alright, so I got a perfume bottle here just to test if it's gonna turn from green to red, because I remember one time when I was putting my deodorant on, it actually started ringing so loud and I was wondering why. So guys, ang bango daw ng Joe Malone. So guys, that was a test fail. Ang bango daw ng Joe Malone, hindi bumaba yung air quality. Alright. So the OLED display actually shows the air quality. Like I mentioned earlier, the lower the better. I don't know the particular details when it comes to air quality, but I do know that the lower the number, the better. Now let's talk product design because I really love how people think about the product design. You've heard me say this before from my Xiaomi monitor video. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll leave it in the description below. Xiaomi is super clean when it comes to design. From this white plastic finish and the OLED display here in the middle, it just keeps things clean and minimalistic. These holes down here for the purifier also looks minimalistic, which is a wow. I also like how this thing isn't as noisy if your air is actually clean. The other purifiers always make this loud sound. One super big plus for Xiaomi is how it's super affordable, so it can be put in anyone's home. Xiaomi proves that you don't have to pay a very high price to look very nice. Last, I wanted to show you guys how to get different filters from Lazada and just change it by yourself. So I changed the filter of my Mi Purifier Pro from the other bedroom recently, and I think it took around 8 months. But of course, it's a case-to-case basis. So I'm on Lazada right now, and I see a bunch of filters. So there's an antibacterial filter, a normal filter, and an anti-formal. So there's a bunch of filters basically, and what you want to do is just to flip your Xiaomi Air Purifier onto the back. So maybe we should turn it off first. Oh, I think it's already off. So, oh my lord, it's not back cover opened. Alright, make sure that the Xiaomi Air Purifier is off first. Then you can open it here on the cover on the back. Then just change this purifier by pulling this pull tab here on the back. Easy change, promise. Even I got to do it. Then just snap back this cover. And your filter's supposed to be at 100% back again. Alright, so let's go to the important stuff, the price. So this goes for around 7,000 pesos in Lazada. I'll leave a link down below. If you like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for tech videos weekly, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.